Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader and expert. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of pound, dollar, GBP, USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you trade on other pairs like Euro, USD, GBP, USD, this one, and Gold USD, you can also check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. So let's get started. As we all know, there was a crazy volatility in the market, and if you have watched my previous video, then this was not very much unexpected. We clearly discussed about the craziness that we were about to witness, and yes, as per our expectation, we did witness some crazy volatility in the market. At first, there was a sharp rise on the dollar price. Then again, we saw heavy selling on dollar as well. Just look at the candle here, okay? And after the craziness, we can see that right now DXY is standing at 95.9899. This is the current market price. So if we judge the market here, then things are very bad. Okay, things are very bad. Why? Because not because for dollar, but because of the unpredictable nature of the dollar right now. Okay, so keep in mind for Friday 96.20, this will be the resistance for the market. Okay, 96.20 will be resistance for the market, and in case there is a fall in the market, okay, then this will be the ultimate support 95.20. Okay, so I will not be covering in detail about the DXY and the next probable moves because tomorrow is Saturday as I do a detailed analysis. So please watch the video tomorrow. I'll be talking in detail about the DXY and the next best trading opportunities on GBP USD. I will try to keep the video short because today is Friday. Now let's talk about the GBP USD chart. This is the current market price 1.3529. Okay, and we have a very strong support zone here. Okay, it's a very strong support zone for GBP USD, and for me, okay, strongest support zone is at 1.3500 level because first of all, we have got multiple supports here. Okay, we have got multiple supports here, and at 1.3500 we also have the Fibonacci 50% retracement level as well. So if you combine all the factors here and the upcoming resistance on DXY, there is a possibility that market will try to bounce from the present level here. So hopefully we will get to see some recovery on GBP USD. Okay, for Friday only. I am not giving you analysis for the upcoming week because that I'll be doing tomorrow. Okay. So as of now, okay, if you are looking for any fresh position in the market, then I'll say that wait for the market to bounce from the support zone. As you can see, the market has already entered the support zone. So at any given point of time, you can take a buy position. But keep in mind, due to the volatile nature of the market, okay, there is a risk here. So if you are a beginner, if you are new to trading, and if you are in a very tight spot, not in a position to lose any money in the market right now, then I'll request you that you can skip the Friday, okay, or at least you can skip any USD pair as of now. Because see, right now we do not have a clear picture on the dollar chart, okay, and especially in this kind of volatility, there is a high possibility of beginners, new traders to lose money. But yes, again, I'll say that in case market comes down, pound dollar comes down, then we have a very strong support zone here, especially 1.3500. If market bounces, if you really want to take a buy position, this can be a good buy as well. Okay, and on the other hand, if market tries to recover, then hopefully the 200 moving average may act as resistance, or at around 1.3570. Around this level, we may see some selling pressure or resistance in the market. If you see that price is being rejected from above and market is trying to reverse, you can also take a sell position here. So again, I'm saying the picture is not much clear right now. Market is approaching support zone, but yes, the market is still crazy. So we can give some time for the market to settle down, and then you can take a decision. Beginners, new traders, you can avoid any USD pair because of the craziness in the market. Okay, I'll be coming down tomorrow again with a detailed analysis and the opportunities for the next week. If you have been watching my videos, then you know it very well. I I clearly state whether if there's an opportunity in the market, I clearly tell you. If there is no opportunity, then also I tell you very frankly. Okay. So whatever you do, follow proper risk management. That is the most important thing for any trader. Okay. Bye bye. Take care. See you tomorrow.